Okay, lalapitan ko po si Miss Chairman. Okay. Okay, so, judges, thank you very much.
Ito siguro, ito na yung pinakamalaking event ng Paris Glamour na nabuo kami na 32 models na in-screen namin ng mga motos na Then, kumuha kami talaga ng malaking sal dahil may invite kaming rap artist na idolo ng mga kabataan sa Pilipinas. This is Crazy Kyle na anti-drugs ambassador sa Mandaluyong.
Hi, my name is Crazy Kyle. Well, basically, main influences in Manila, of course, is Francis M, Master Plan, you know, Andrew E, yung mga nauna talaga. Much respect sa mga old school. I'm an old school guy, so I love, you know, even in the international scene, I love Will Smith, you know, Nas, Jay-Z, all that stuff. Well, I'm here in Paris right now for Paris Glamour Season 3. I've heard so much about the event and tonight it's very successful. Kitang-kita dyan sa labas, ang haba ng pila and ang daming tao. So I was with the organizers for almost 2 days now and they were kind of nervous na hindi mapupuno but then it's overflowing with people so looks the future of Paris Glamour looks good. Well, in terms of the Mandaluyong thing, the anti-drug campaign. I'm also the anti-drug ambassador of Mayor Benhur Abalos in Mandaluyong. So we're trying to keep the kids to stay away from drugs and focus on music, sports, and stuff like this, like fashion shows. It's probably a good thing to start in the Philippines too. So big ups to Paris Glamour for coming up with events like this. I really believe that they should get more sponsors. With this event tonight, I'm pretty sure there will be a lot na magiging interested because keep the kids away from trouble, from drugs, and just do the fashion thing and music. So, Crazy Kyle, peace.
I'm feeling good, but I'm very anxious for the show.
Yeah, it's our first time and we're very excited for the show and you have some fun here. Bye! Bye!
Okay, yung nag-inspired sa akin para sumali ng fashion show, para experience kung paano makaharap sa ibang tao, na yung paano lumakas ang loob mo. At para na rin ma-discover sa sarili ko bilang...
For me, it's an honor to be part of this show, yet I'm nervous.
Para sa mga Pinoy sa Pinay na nasaktan ng natalo ang Inebra ang nanalo si Nancy Binay. But all girls love Pinay, Crazy Kyle. It's hard, but I walk the talk, man. Hit like a Circuit City heat, yeah, took that walk, man. So, a little bit over here right now. Hindi mo nalimutan yan. Itong diploma ko sa'yo ko inaalay yan. Mga pangaral mo sa aking bang binulong. Kaya sa doon di ako nalulong. Ni minsan di nakulong. Salamat po, inay. Give it up!
i-mix namin ang modern and native. So we have the native materials and modern. Pasok na please, ano daw?
Modern.
Paris Glamour!
Paris Glamour!
Yeah! 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 Yeah!